Welcome, my friends. I'm here with Chris, the claims manager. He is the reason that all these claims get paid fully and fairly. We thank you. We appreciate you, my friend. How's it going today? And what are we talking about? It's kind of this nuanced topic. Go ahead.
Yeah. No, I'm doing great, everyone. Love doing these. Love informing everyone of what's going on. This is a really kind of important one, and I'll kind of let you speak a lot to this because some people get confused about this. But
Right.
when you file a claim, you have different deductibles usually for different perils. Hail and wind are usually grouped together for a different peril altogether.
Right.
And so when you file a claim, what should you file when a storm comes up?
Right. What peril are you claiming caused the damage? And so most policies, like Chris said, kind of lump in together hail and wind deductible. And that's how we know because the deductible for hail and wind now, especially if you're in Florida, Texas, Colorado, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Kansas, kind of Wyoming, kind of that area, Minnesota, right? Like right in the middle of the country because we get a lot of hail coming off the mountains. But ultimately the reason they kind of lump those together and they separate them from, say, a pipe burst or something like that is because they want to charge you more on those deductibles. And so we're in a situation right now where we have a client that the insurance company is saying, well, hey, this tile roof, four of those tiles are from wind. We magically don't know where any of these other damaged tiles came from or how they were damaged. Oh, okay. Could it be the 1.5 to 2 inch hail that also came down with the wind in that storm? So when we submit our paperwork, put hail slash wind date of loss, right? Because when is the last time that you ever saw hail without some sort of wind? I've
Yeah.
never experienced it. Could it happen? Maybe in a vacuum in the world of make believe, but in reality, hail and wind usually come together. And then sometimes it's hail driven wind, meaning at a certain threshold of wind, the wind speed, the wind is actually driving the hail into whatever it's hitting and damaging it even more, which then also creates more damage to the property, whatever it might be. So we can't tell you exactly what you should do, but what we do is we put hail slash wind because those two events occur together to cause the damage that we're seeing at the property. And that's the peril that we are claiming caused the damage, which is a covered cause of loss. What? So, with that said, we have helped our clients save thousands of dollars because we were able to prove that these two things occurred at one time. And it was one date of loss, two covered perils that happened together. Are they two separate deductibles? Absolutely not. They happen together. You can't have one without the other that I've ever seen. You can have wind without hail, but it's very rare that you have hail without wind. Okay. So hopefully that's not too confusing, Chris. Please clean all of that up in a super short summary. And I just blacked out. So tell me what I just said.
Yeah, so you made some really good points, and the reason why we're saying this is that we've seen in situations to where the insurance company's like, "Yeah, I see that that's damage, but that's not caused by hail. That looks like that's caused by wind."
Weird.
Well, Mister Adjuster, didn't this storm happen on the same date? Huh, let me show you this. So, anyways, it's just to avoid any headaches down the road because,
Right.
again, insurance companies will use everything they can to basically diminish sometimes, deny whatever they have to do. So, we just want to make sure that you're fully prepared and aware that when a
Right.
claim comes in, protect yourself. Keep it, all in one like you can. That way, moving forward, you know that a hailstorm slash windstorm, hail windstorm occurred at the same time, making sure that you can obviously get everything you need out of that claim to bring you back to pre-loss condition. Nothing's missing.
That's exactly it. We want to legitimately and fully maximize by using reasonable, legitimate line items based on whatever cause of loss occurred. Okay. If you have 0.25 inch hail, probably not causing skylights to break, right? We have to be reasonable and legitimate. But if you have 1.5 to 2 inch hail, for sure can cause skylights to break. I've seen it myself. Plus, hail that's also, or wind that's also damaging, it all kind of comes together. So, with that, take it with a grain of salt, do what's best for you. But I implore you, hire a good public insurance adjuster to help you with all of this. Because if you get us involved at the very beginning, I guarantee you will have a lot fewer headaches because we take on that burden for you. Fighting for the insured is our tagline because that's what we do is we fight for the benefits of the policy for you, the insured, to get you back to pre-loss condition. So thank you so much for watching. We would love it if you guys would subscribe to our channel, like our posts,
Yes.
comment, and then share it with the world. We're
Yeah.
trying to get it out to 1 million people that can be helped with this message. So please help us do that. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.